Hey guys, it's Tony. Just wanted to make a quick video on Doggy. As some of you guys know, I did buy the bottom down here. I bought it a couple days ago. I bought like 5K worth of Doggy, and so far I'm just riding it up. I think I'm up like 15K. I do think we're gonna keep rallying. The 4 hour chart down here on the MACD is barely gonna get crossed. Last time we crossed this, we actually went up a couple multiples, and we actually created a bottom on the stochastic. So I'm not gonna be selling anytime soon. I do think that next time I'm probably gonna gauge to see where we are on this like 7 cents, 8 cent level. I want to see what the actual momentum looks like, and then kind of go from there to see if we're actually gonna, if I'm gonna take a small position out, or if I'm just gonna keep everything in if I think it's going to 10 cents. But as of right now, I do think next stop is around 7 cents, like 7 cents and like what, half. And then after that is going to be 10 cents, and then 11 cents, and then after that I think it's going to be nobody really knows from there. um yeah, but just updating you guys. I'm not going to be selling anything anytime soon. I might take a small position if we do hit 8 cents again. I might take a small position of profit. Other than that, I'm basically just letting everything ride. And I think we're actually just starting the rally towards the upside, especially because a lot of people from Robinhood, there's like millions of people that were going to buy Doggy, but they're waiting for their funds to clear, and it takes a couple of days. So I do think their funds are going to be cleared by like Wednesday or Thursday. So if I do sell, I'll take a small position, but I do think the rally is at least going to be going on up until like Wednesday or Thursday. Well, not at least, but I think there's going to be another big push Wednesday or Thursday when people's funds get cleared on Robinhood to actually buy Doggy. So I'll see you guys later.